right, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whichever time span you're watching this on. So the Women Premier League, the Jamaica Women Premier League is back in action, full action, and it kicked off on the 4th of December 2022 after a long time period being out. Now, I know a lot of persons don't really watch the Women Premier League, but for sure, I'll give you guys consistent update on what's happening. If you guys follow my Instagram and also my Twitter, you see that I've already posted the scorelines for both for both events, the Women Premier League and also Jamaica, the Men's Premier League in Jamaica. It's important that we keep a check of these things if we say we're well, media outlets, I would say. But for sure, you see your football fans do think that the females need such support as well. I do hope that going to these games, I would see a lot of females turning out at these games as though they see they turn out at the male counterparts games, because many of the times people when they will go and watch the Premier League games, there's a lot of women at those games. But we hope to see the direction that turns. So people, if you're here for the first time, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, we're trying to grow up to 25,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I'm not sure if we're going to hit that target, but you never try, you never attempted to reach there, you will not get there. So my intent right now is to try, is to push forward and see if I can reach it. But let's get to what we're here for, which is the result of the game, people. So let me see if I can pull this out of the way, been more than enough discussion. So these are the results of match day 1, people. So these are the results from match day 1, the Jamaica Women's Premier League match day 1 results. So first game we have kicked off at UWI, JFF UWI, Captain Norrisborough Center. Both games played, there are 2 games played at 1:30. One play at 1 p.m., one play at 1:30. 1 p.m. Wembley Center of Excellence, that was between Vere United FC and Real Mobay FC. But let me start from Zone A. We had Fraser's Whip defeating Olympic Gardens 3-2. And we also these games we also saw where Baptist Alliance was defeated by Springers United 2-0. Now in Zone B, Vere United defeated, well, this was actually a thrashing, 11-0, defeated Real Mobay 11-0. 11-0, people. 11-0. So that's an interesting one. I think one player had 4 goals, 2 players had hat-tricks. Yeah, very interesting. And also Cavaliers defeated Royal Lakes 9-0. Now these Cavaliers versus Royal Lakes, Fraser's Whip versus Olympic Gardens, both of these games were played at Captain Norrisborough Center because it was the kickoff day, it was the launch day. So they do the greet and meet and those type of things. Other games were played at home venues. Other games such as Baptist Alliance, which was played at Paul Bogle, Baptist Alliance versus Springersville, which was played at Paul Bogle High, and Vere United versus Real Mobay, which was played at Wembley Center of Excellence. That was all the way down in Clarendon. That's Vere United home pitch. Now, I do believe that going further, we see the likes of Cavaliers utilizing Alpha Home Boys, possibly, and also Royal Lakes utilizing their pitch over in Spanish Town there, in Royal Lakes actually. So we will see further how that, we'll keep you guys update further on this competition. Let you guys know what's happening. So I'm not here for long, just to give you this general update, people. So definitely, so this is the results of match day 1. Soon as the days proceed with these games, I'll continue to give you guys updates. I don't really want it to clash with the local Premier League, because I'm covering the local Premier League, and it's going to be difficult for me to be at that much. But that's how it is sometimes, people. So massive respect. As I said, Fraser's Whip defeated Olympic Gardens 3-2. Springers United defeated Baptist Alliance 2-0. Vere United defeated Real Mobay 11-0, and Cavaliers defeated Royal Lake, my apologies, 9-0. So those are the results. As I said, people, I'll keep you guys up to date on what's happening and on the latest updates, anything pertaining to the Women's Premier League. So hopefully you guys are doing good, and I'll see you guys again. Oh, please do smash the like button. We do have a giveaway going on right now, a SAP Sports grip socks and also a Reggae Boy jersey. I'll be announcing it on my Instagram how to win that trophy. So how to win those prizes. So definitely big up people, massive respect. See you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV people. We're out. It's not close. Out.